I'm Kieran Daly, editor of AI Business, here today with Sherif Mityas, Chief Global Experience Officer for TGI Fridays.
Yes. Thank you.
How's it going?
It's going well, thank you.
So you've just come off stage at Keynote. Can you tell me a little bit about what you're talking about and how you think the reception was?
Yeah, I mean, for us, I really want to talk about how brands, consumer-facing brands, can really use AI, right? And I think there's a lot of talk around technology and kind of, solving world peace and world hunger, but what's a real application for a brand that actually touches consumers and guests? And how can people think about starting on that journey, really seeing a return? Because, these technologies are moving fast, they're expensive. How do you really get down to what's the purpose, what's the application that will really drive a new and interesting opportunity for a brand's guests and consumers?
So, how can they?
Well, I think at the end of the day, it's got to be relevant. And for us at Fridays, it's all about personalizing the experience. So if I can use data and use the AI to understand who an individual guest is, make them feel like an insider, like a VIP. So when you walk into our restaurants, I might know your favorite drink. I might be able to suggest something based on your specific tastes and preferences, likes and dislikes. That might make you a little bit more loyal to our brand. That might make you want to come back to a Fridays one more time because we know and we respect who you are as an individual versus marketing one to many.
Absolutely. So how is that journey coming along at the minute?
I'd say we're in the crawl of the walk and run phase. There's still lots of things we're learning as a brand, but a lot of good, I would say, near-term results. We've been able to double our online business through the use of AI. We've been able to engage with our guests on social platforms and voice platforms by 300% more than we used to, really because the AI allows us, again, to personalize those exchanges. And now we're headed to even new things, like a AI-powered virtual mixologist, being able to create one-of-a-kind drinks for our guests at our bars. It's a good drink.
So, in that context, what is it about the AI Summit that's, made you want to engage with the conversations going on here?
The AI Summit to me is a great opportunity to learn really quickly from a lot of smart people. As we're not a technology company, we're a restaurant brand. And for us, we need to partner with smart people. We need to partner with the startups and the newcomers and ask the question, what's next? What's coming? To be able to differentiate for ourselves, create a competitive advantage, but also to provide something unique for our guests. And being able to walk around here and just see all the new cool things that people are working on, I think they were in their garage last year, and now they're here on the main stage, and it's being part of that community, being part of understanding what's coming, and being able to see how could some of these technologies apply to our world, to our brand, and for our guests. There's no better place to be.
So, what's the next step for the customer experience at TGI Fridays?
Well, for us, it's always about putting the guest first and foremost at the center of everything we do. And for us, what technologies is going to allow that guest to have a better, more seamless, more convenient, more fun experience with our brand, whether they're inside our restaurants or maybe even sitting at home enjoying Fridays with their friends and family.
Well, great. Sherif, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank
Cheers.
you.